Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So today I will show you the applications of physics in daily life. But before we do that, let me change. Now let's go. Okay, so the first one that we will discuss is a screw. A screw is a mechanism that converts rotational motion to linear motion. So basically, a screw can amplify a small rotational force on a surface. A screw is one of many simple machines such as lever, wheel and axle, pulley, inclined plane, and a wedge. Speaking of Archimedes, who put a highlighter on a glass? Actually, that is an example of an Archimedes principle.
Archimedes' principle states that the upward buoyant force that is exerted on a body immersed in a fluid, whether fully or partially submerged, is equal to the weight of the fluid that the body displaces.
Aside putting highlighter on a glass, Archimedes' principles are used on building ships, putting meat on a bowl of soup, and a bathtub.
Storytime. The thought of the principle came when Archimedes filled a bathtub and noticed that water spilled over the edge as he got in, and he realized that the water displaced by his body was equal to the weight of his body.
Another one.
Gravity.
Gravity is the force by which a planet or other body draws objects toward its center.
We don't fly from Earth because of gravity. To explain gravity, just imagine a sheet of fabric and you put a ball on it. The ball pulls the sheets in the center, and then you put another ball. The second ball is attracted to the first. Anything that has mass also has gravity. Objects with more mass have more gravity. Gravity also gets weaker with distance. So, the closer objects are to each other, the stronger their gravitational pull is. The Earth's gravity came from all its mass. Its mass makes a combined gravitational pull on all the mass in your body. That's what gives you weight.
Storytime. Legend has it that a young Isaac Newton was sitting under an apple tree when he was bonked on the head by a falling piece of fruit.
The next one is a ballpoint pen. A ballpoint pen is something that we all have in the household. So, the question is,
why does a pen have anything to do with physics?
actually, a ballpoint pen works using several mechanical basics, including gravity and rotational forces like centripetal force. The concept of the pen is gravity forces the ink down into a reservoir and then it goes to the ball. As the pen presses against the surface, ink flows onto the ball, which moves and basically puts the ink onto the surface. Then the pulling brings in the second piece of basic mechanics in the ballpoint pen. Although most of the work done putting the ink on the piece of paper is the initial touch, more ink needs to flow onto the ball. And some of this work is done by centripetal force, or the force that is caused by the spinning ball. Thank you for watching. If you do like it, please do leave a thumbs up.